Quick news update. What's happened is shocking. Kolkata police have arrested Pinaki Banerjee, a 55-year-old law college guard. This marks the fourth apprehension in an alleged serious case, updated on June 28, 2025. Pinaki Banerjee, a 55-year-old guard at South Calcutta Law College, was taken into custody. This arrest by Kolkata police is part of their intensive ongoing investigation into the alleged gang rape case, signaling significant progress in the search for justice. Banerjee's apprehension marks the fourth arrest in this deeply concerning case. Police sources confirmed this crucial step reinforces their commitment to bringing all involved individuals to justice, ensuring accountability for the alleged crime. Kolkata police state this remains a developing story. Their teams continue to work tirelessly, following every lead to uncover the full extent of the incident. Further updates are expected as the investigation progresses rapidly. Zohr News remains committed to bringing you the latest on this critical case. We will continue to follow these developments closely, ensuring you are informed every step of the way as justice unfolds.